Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this BoAt Airdope Kick model earbuds. So I am going to replace the battery of these earbuds because the battery backup of these earbuds is not up to the mark. So without wasting any time, let me start replacing the battery. We have to take this housing apart, so we have to give some heat because it is pasted. So I am going to give the heat and I am going to pry this out. So I have given some heat, so simply by doing like this will come apart. So you can see, so even magnet has come, that is the problem here. So we have to paste the magnet to its place. So this is the battery, so I am going to pry this battery out. So this is the battery which is bad. So let's check the voltage of this battery first. So I have set the multimeter to 20 volt DC. So let me check the voltage of the battery. So you can see there is no voltage at all. So the battery is completely dead. We have to replace this battery. So alright, now I am going to use this battery. So let me check the voltage of this battery here as well. So I have set the multimeter to 20 volt DC. So let me just connect these points. So you can see, so 3.8 voltage is there. So the battery is brand new and it is showing 3.8 volts. So alright, now we have to replace the battery here. So now we have to lift this insulation here. So let me keep this safely. So you can see there is two terminals here, red and yellow is there. Red should be positive and the yellow should be negative. So similarly the red positive should go in this battery. So the red positive should go in the positive of the battery and the negative of the battery will go, yellow wire will go on the negative of the battery. So let me do that. Just we have to remove this insulation tape. So now we have to just take out these two wires. Red one is plus and the yellow one is minus, and we have to solder this in this battery. So let me do that and I will close the housing after replacing the battery. Just we have to desolder and solder here. I guess it has been spot welded, I'm not sure. If it is spot welded, then you can cut the wires and just apply the lead, then you can solder in that. So let me do that and come. So I have soldered the wire and installed the battery. Just I have to close this. There will be a clip here. Simply we have to press like this. That's it. So the earbuds battery has been replaced. Just we have to test it now. So both earbuds battery has been replaced. So now it's time for testing. Just I have to insert this and close this. So you can see purple light is glowing. That means this earbud is charging. Now I am going to take this earbud and install this. Put this left earbud. So you can see cyan color light is coming. So both earbuds are charging. Now it's time to just pair the device. So let me do that. So now I am going to open this case here. So let's see whether this gets listed here or not, because battery is now replaced. So you can see Airdope Kick has been listed here. I'm just clicking it and I'm clicking allow access to the contacts and call history and clicking pair button here. So you can see the battery is 100%. It is fully charged. So this is the basic steps to replace the battery of this BoAt Airdopes Kick. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon. And write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioViz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.